Hi guys! Today on Tech Product, we're exploring the top 3 best electric paint sprayers for house that deliver professional quality results with ease and precision. From versatile nozzles to ergonomic designs, these sprayers make home painting simple and efficient. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the CJC JH12 electric paint sprayer for house. The CJC JH12 electric paint sprayer is designed to elevate home painting projects with professional-grade performance. Equipped with 6 different nozzles, this sprayer accommodates a wide range of applications, from furniture and fences to interior walls, decks, garage doors, and crafts, allowing users to handle virtually any painting task with precision. Powered by an upgraded 750-watt motor, the JH12 delivers impressive efficiency and supports paints with a viscosity up to 130 denshans. This ensures smooth, even coatings, helping to achieve a high-quality finish that traditional brushes or rollers might struggle to provide. Its robust motor and advanced spray capabilities make it easy to cover both large surfaces and hard-to-reach corners, streamlining the painting process significantly. The sprayer also features flow adjustment control along with 3 versatile spraying modes: horizontal, vertical, and circular. With a maximum flow rate of 1,000 ml per minute, it offers greater coverage speed and flexibility compared to many other models, adapting seamlessly to different project requirements and painting styles. Ease of use is another hallmark of the CJC JH12. The device assembles without the need for tools and includes practical accessories such as a cleaning brush and a plugging needle to remove any hardened paint residue. A clear, user-friendly manual guides both beginners and experienced painters, ensuring that setting up and operating the sprayer is straightforward. Whether tackling a home renovation, updating furniture, or engaging in creative projects, the CJC JH12 electric paint sprayer combines versatility, power, and convenience, making it a reliable partner for achieving professional quality paint results at home. Next up, at number 2, comes the Newbeny electric paint sprayer for house. The Newbeny electric paint sprayer for house is designed to simplify painting projects while delivering professional results. It features an advanced cooling system with both air inlet and heat dissipation channels working together to prevent overheating and prolong the machine's lifespan. The sprayer is equipped with a one-key switch, making operation safer and more convenient, while its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Users can easily control the flow of paint with the adjustable nozzle knob, allowing for precise application and efficient use of materials. The sprayer offers 3 versatile spray patterns: round, vertical, and horizontal, enabling tailored coverage for various surfaces and painting requirements. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of household projects. From doors, windows, and walls to fences, ceilings, and floors, the Newbeny electric paint sprayer can handle multiple surfaces with ease. It is also suitable for painting cabinets, furniture, and other home objects, making it a practical tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional painters. Combining user-friendly controls, adaptable spray settings, and broad functionality, this sprayer provides an efficient and effective solution for achieving smooth, even paint coverage in any indoor or outdoor project. Its design focuses on durability, convenience, and precision, ensuring consistent results while minimizing effort. The Newbeny electric paint sprayer stands out as a reliable choice for anyone looking to streamline painting tasks and achieve high-quality finishes across a variety of surfaces. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the M-Walk electric paint spray for house. The M-Walk electric paint sprayer for house is designed to simplify painting tasks while delivering precise and efficient results. Equipped with a flow adjustment knob, it allows users to control the material flow according to the specific requirements of each project. This feature ensures that whether you are handling large surfaces or detailed work, the paint is applied exactly as needed, minimizing waste and optimizing coverage. Comfort and usability are at the forefront of this sprayer's design. Its ergonomic, soft, rubberized anti-slip handle provides a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This practical, labor-saving design makes it easier to maneuver the sprayer across walls, furniture, or other surfaces with consistent control. The stepless and diversion system allows the spray size to be adjusted freely, offering flexibility to tackle different areas and achieve a professional finish. From wide coverage for large surfaces to more precise application in corners or edges, this sprayer adapts to every requirement seamlessly. To ensure reliable performance, the M-Walk sprayer includes cooling vents that prevent the machine from overheating, allowing uninterrupted operation even during prolonged painting sessions. Additionally, the sprayer features a user-friendly switch and adjustable paint shapes, making it convenient to switch between different spray patterns and applications quickly. Overall, the M-Walk electric paint sprayer combines versatility, comfort, and efficiency in a compact and reliable tool. Its adjustable flow control, ergonomic design, customizable spray sizes, and built-in cooling system make it an ideal choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts seeking a smooth, professional paint finish for any project. That was an amazing lineup of paint sprayers. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Product for more top tools and DIY solutions.